Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I hope you really had a good and nice weekend, right? Now what is happening, right? Markets are at all-time high. Nifty is almost at 18,600, maybe 200 points from lifetime high, and in fact Bank Nifty is at lifetime high, right? Now what is going to happen next is what we are going to see in this video. Before that, let me tell you something. There is very specific thing, or I wouldn't say specific, but you know what is happening in social media. Social media is a platform or an ecosystem where you can, like, it is literally giving you unlimited access to millions of people, but at the same time it is a curse also. Being big in social media is a curse also. And you know what is happening, and why am I saying this statement now is because, you know, a big YouTuber is being butchered by Zebu and butchered by people in social media, but still he is moving forward. He is not stopping to post any videos, or he is not stopping to do things what he usually does, right? So that is one thing, and great, and I can tell you that lots of people have learned from this gentleman. And you know who is the gentleman? I don't have to tell the name of the gentleman. He has learned something, but the problem is that he is kind of what is that? He is short-minded, right? Short-tempered, right? So people, if you are having access to millions of people, if there are millions of people following you, and you don't expect all the people to behave in same way like your family is behaving with you, right? You might be a big person in your family, you might be a big guy in your family surroundings everywhere, but you cannot expect others to behave like what your immediate family or your neighbors are expecting to behave with you. So he got short-tempered, and he replied a very he replied a very he replied a very tempered tweet, and everything changed, right? So this is very bad. Being a person from this fraternity, I'm also feeling very bad. Of course, everyone will be having different perspective about him, but whatever happened is very bad, and people are talking. There are many conspiracies around him. It is not about advisory service. There is something else. Blah blah blah. They talk so much of things about him. We really don't know what is going to happen. Even though we have abused him, even I wouldn't say abused, we have talked against him in this channel. People think I'm not a friend of him, I'm not this guy, I don't like this person. It's not like that. We are, in fact, me and this person are from the same place, you know that, right? Still, things are not looking good for him. I pray to God that things may soon be on the track. That's what I can say, right? And people say, see, social media, people say, you know what, many people, when it comes to this channel, people say, you are always talking negative, you are always talking negative. Even in this video, I'm going to talk negative. And I have shown big losses, then big profit. You know why I'm showing this and why I'm doing all this? Because this place, most of you don't know this place, how fragile this place is, how unethical this place is. You people don't know, because many of you would have come after 2020, after COVID, right? But this place is very tough place. Making money in the stock market is not as easy as what you think. I'm not selling greed to you. That is what I'm trying to do here. I'm talking negative. I'm showing big losses because you shouldn't be coming here. If you come to this place, I'll tell you, if you come to this place, you have to have a different type of caliber. You have to have a different type of mindset. You have to be ready to lose everything what you have bought inside, and still you will have to keep on moving forward. That is very hard to do. Let's say, for example, a person who is new to trading, he has saved so much of money, maybe 10 lakh, 15 lakh, he brings it here only to lose. That's what I'm trying to say. That is what I am trying to tell all in this video. We have posted more than 600 videos, and people say most of my video is negative. Yes, I agree, there is no denial, but why am I saying all this is because so that you can learn that how this place is, how tough this place is, right? I'm not showing you big fat profits like many others do. You go to Twitter and there were people who are showing fat big profit. That doesn't work like that way, right? You have to understand, it doesn't work like that way. It is very, very tough place. This place is very, very tough place. Whether you like it or not, it is going to be tougher, and going forward also this place is going to be tougher, right? Anyway, I have talked so much about this thing. We'll go into the market. Now in terms of market, what I believe is that market may gap down tomorrow. What we are observing is there is a divergence, huge divergence in the market. We'll see about that. We'll also see, in spite of having huge divergence, I don't know, for one or other reason, FIIs have been continuously buying, and today also they are net buyers in the market, right? Now if you see the open interest, what is happening, what is very interesting about the open interest is there are put unwinding. The number of puts which are there are smart money is unwinding the number of puts they are holding. Why should someone unwind the puts, you tell me? Because they fear the market may come down, right? That is what is happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And second thing is there is a heavy divergence in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now this is the Bank Nifty chart, and you can see here price is hitting higher high, right? But relative strength index is hitting higher low, right? This is the higher high and higher low. Now there is a divergence between price action and divergence in RSI, which means it is a negative divergence, and the probability of market coming down is very, very high. Now what candlestick this chart, today's price action, if you see today's price action is called, what is it called? Maybe a doji pattern, or maybe a evening star, or whatsoever, right? So this is saying undecisiveness. There is undecisiveness in the market, and the probability of market coming down might be very high. See, I'm not trying to say that the market is going to come down and it is going to hit maybe 43,000 or 41,000. I'm not saying that. But the probability of the market going higher is very, very limited. Now, if you are following others, and if you know what is happening in the when it comes to macroeconomic data, nothing is good, right? So if you see inflation is very high, blah blah blah, and let me tell you one more thing. People were talking about debt ceiling in US. If there is a debt ceiling in US, why are you worrying, right? Why we Indians have to worry? And even I told this in day before yesterday video, I think day before yesterday or one day before video, I told that this debt ceiling issue has been for a very long time, and this is the 78th time they are increasing the debt ceiling, and that is it. They have to get the approval from the Congress, and of course the Congress is going to approve. They are not going to deny, they are not going to default. That is what has happened. They have got approval from US Congress, and debt ceiling has been increased significantly. Right now everybody is bullish, right? This is what is happening for the last many 4 or 5 decades, and this is the 78th time they are increasing the debt ceiling. Now there was a news that they might not increase the debt ceiling, or Congress may not approve the debt ceiling. Now what happened? Everybody is bullish, and this is going to happen. This is what they are doing, right? So what FIIs are trying to do is they are just trying to pump the money in, and why they have to pump is just to dump it. That's what is happening. You have to understand this. And when it comes to this is Nifty chart, and when it comes to Nifty chart also, there is a huge diversion, and hopefully both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, this gap which was formed today is likely to be taken out. That is what I am expecting. Now I might go wrong, and I have gone wrong, but end of the day we make sure we make money somehow, right? So we'll see how things pan out tomorrow. So my stand is we might not go on the higher side. And don't tell me, Umar, you have been telling this for a very long time. You have been telling this for a very every time you see the market, I see your video, you tell market is going to go down. Not like that. I'm expecting maybe market might come down, and in fact we have added some short positions also. And when it comes to DAI, FII, FIIs have bought for around 1758 crores, and DAIs have bought for 853 crores. And participant wise data, if you see, there is a huge number of short future index short position has FIs have decreased their future index short position, and at the same time they have increased the future index long position by 78%. So that's a good news, and maybe market may go on the higher side, who knows, right? That's what I think, right? We'll see how things pan out. And as I told you, if you see the Bank Nifty is if you see the Bank Nifty, huge number of calls are being written at 44,500. So shall we understand that 44,500 will not be taken out? Maybe it will not be taken out at least till this expiry, right? And if you see on the put side, 44,000 is having huge open interest. But today's price action, today's open interest, if you see today's open interest, huge number of puts unwinding is happening. You see here from 44,100 to 44,000 to all the way till 43,500, huge puts are being unwinded, right? So people might expect that the market may go on the downside. And if you see on the Nifty wise also, 18,400 also unwinding is happening, 18,500 also unwinding is happening. So Bank Nifty and Nifty, people are unwinding huge number of put option. So there might be a reason, and there is a divergence in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Market might come on the downside. That is what is my expectation. So don't think I am not bullish and I am bearish. I'm just telling what I think. I may go wrong, I may go right. We'll see how things pan out. And as of now, all US futures are kind of green. I wouldn't say green. It's trading flat, and SGX Nifty is slightly in the red, maybe 10 or 15 points in the red. We'll see how things pan out, and we'll see how market opens tomorrow. Until then, I'll see you. Take care. I'll see you in yet another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.